Your family will love these little Christmas finger jellies. They are easy to make and they're really cool and refreshing, especially for our summer Christmas here in Australia. Let me show you how to make them. You need 2 packets of green Jello, 2 packets of red Jello, and gelatin powder. Empty 2 packets into a bowl. Add 1½ to 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Mix it well. Now add 1 cup of boiling water. Stir it very well to dissolve all the powders. Then add 3/4 cup of cold water and stir well. Pour mixture into your container and set aside. Now do this again with the red Jello. Put them in the refrigerator for at least an hour or 2. Take it out when the Jello is set. I made a template to help me cut the Jello into shapes. Here's the trees. Here's the template for the presents. Then it's time to put them on the plate. Well, they passed the taste test. Thanks for watching, and if you like this idea, please give it a thumbs up. And I also have another playlist with really simple Christmas recipes that you can check out. And you can also download the recipe from my website. And I pray you have a
Merry Christmas!